What are you going to do with those pies, boys?
Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are in the holiday spirit because today I will be showing you how to make an easy and delicious vegan pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any special occasion. So grab your ingredients, put on your aprons, and let's get baking. So, who wants a slice? Thank you so much for watching my vegan pumpkin pie tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it and that you'll give this recipe a try, whether you're vegan or not. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Happy Thanksgiving!